Meaning of general strike.
General strike.
General strike.
General strike.
General strike. A general strike is a form of protest in which workers from various industries across a region, country, or even globally, simultaneously and collectively stop working. The goal of a general strike is to disrupt the normal functioning of society and demonstrate the economic power of the working class. By withdrawing their labor, workers are able to put pressure on employers and governments to meet their demands. The result of a general strike can vary, but successful ones have led to significant improvements in workers' rights, wages, and working conditions, as well as political changes and reforms.